what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. By the title, you can probably already see what we're going to do. I have 505 tickets. Let's go do it. So, let's head right over to the ticket tent. I've been wanting the photon bee forever, but I'm not sure which I could get. Puppy, photon, tabby, festive. We're going in. Boom. I got the photon bee. So let's come right back over here. I think we're going to use the diamond bee. Boom. Photon bee. You know, obviously, guys, let's go test out what this baby can do. Very quick, do a quick roll jelly. Believe me, okay. Let's go over, check out what this guy can do. So here's the dandelion field. Oh, we created one. Whoa! That's overpowered! Whoa! Guys, comment down below what bee you want me to buy next from the ticket tent. Is there any other abilities the photon bee produces? So here he is in action, in game. So, okay guys, so, hey, there he is right there. He's making an ability. I think this is his only ability. So, let's just wait a little bit longer. There's my photon. I think that might actually be his only ability. Let's check. Let's go into B, scroll all the way down. We already got the spicy bee, obviously. Now we have photon. Beamstorm and haste. Grants 10% player move speed for 20 seconds. Stacks up to 10 times. And Beamstorm we just saw. Okay, that's the Beamstorm, which is really good. And then he also produces haste. So that's going to be the end of today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, and goodbye. Toxic out.